Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own categories within your incomes on Spendee. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee Budget Planner app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. Now you can directly add your transaction by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right corner, and you will see various different categories of expense as well as income that you can add. Now, if you don't find your particular category within this list, then you can add your own subcategory. Just click on the more option at the bottom right corner. Now, from this page, go into categories, and this will show you the income as well as expense categories that are provided within the application by default. If you wish to add another income category, then make sure that income is selected at the top and then click on plus at the bottom left corner. You can now create your new category. Just enter the name of your category, and you may also define a color within the category color section. After choosing your desired color, you can choose an icon from the category icon section as well. There are various different icons to choose from, so even if you are setting up multiple ones, you have various different options for each one of these. After choosing your icon, tap on Create a Category, and now your category that you have just created has been added to your income section right away. You can change the order by tapping and holding the icon at the right side, and now you can move it to any place that you wish. You also have the option to merge multiple categories if you wish to do so by clicking on Merge Categories at the bottom right corner. Then you can just select the categories that you would like to merge and then click on Merge Categories once again. And in this way, you can create your own custom categories within your income section on the Spendee Budget Planner app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.